Good morning, everyone. I am Ivone Simpas Asprilla, and I am one of the benefactor of the charity event that was given by the Filipino American Cancer Care, and I was diagnosed with breast cancer stage 4 last February 2024. But with this, I am still thankful that I have a lot of Filipino Americans and people around me who are supporting and praying for me despite of my condition nowadays. I would like to thank the Filipino American Cancer Care for giving this wonderful opportunity and charity that they could raise fund so that it could be extended to me and to us who are suffering from this kind of illness, to the volunteers who gave their time and efforts so that this wonderful event will be successful. Thank you so much for the spin, for the attendees of David Pomeranz charity concert. To Sir David, thank you so much for your help and for everything that you have done so that this event will be pushed through. And to the people behind this Filipino American Cancer Care, thank you so much for everything that you have helped and for extending this help to me and to my family. This is a very great help for us so that we can continue our medication and we can live harmoniously despite the challenges that I am facing every day. So again, thank you so much, and I am praying that everyone will be blessed and everyone will be more successful in their chosen field of career. Thank you, and God bless.